Be honest. How many times have you told yourself, this year will be different? And yet, here you are, stuck in the same cycle of broken promises, skipped workouts, and I'll start tomorrow. Let me tell you something. Tomorrow is a lie. The truth is, you've wasted enough time. But here's the good news. You're one decision away from turning everything around. This is your moment. Are you ready to stop watching your life pass by and start building the version of yourself you've always dreamed of? In the next few minutes, I'm not just going to give you a plan. I'm going to show you how to completely transform your body, your health, and your mindset in just 90 days. No fluff, no excuses, just real, actionable steps that work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what mistakes have been holding you back, what habits you need to break, and the powerful strategies that will finally get you results. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about creating a lifestyle so strong that even when life gets tough, you don't quit. The challenge, your 90-day breakthrough. This isn't just a challenge for your body. It's a challenge for your mind. The next 90 days will test your discipline, your resilience, and your willingness to change. It's not going to be easy, but here's the truth. Nothing worth having ever is. If you can commit to this, I promise you'll look in the mirror 90 days from now and barely recognize yourself. Not just physically, but mentally too. Step 1. Build a non-negotiable commitment. The first step isn't physical, it's mental. You need to make a decision that no matter what happens, you're not giving up. And here's how you make that commitment real. Write it down. Grab a pen and paper and write 3 sentences. Why do you want to change? What will your life look like if you succeed? What will your life look like if you don't? Keep this somewhere visible, on your mirror, in your wallet, or as your phone wallpaper. Every time you feel like quitting, read it. Remind yourself why you started. But commitment isn't just about words, it's about action. Starting today, no more, I'll start tomorrow. No more waiting for motivation. Your transformation begins right now. Step 2. Create a morning routine that sets the tone. Your mornings set the foundation for your entire day. If you start the day feeling lazy or unfocused, that energy will carry through everything you do. But if you start the day with intention, you're unstoppable. For the next 90 days, your mornings will look like this. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. This is your time to focus on yourself, not the world. Move your body, even if it's just a 10-minute stretch or a few push-ups. This gets your blood flowing and your mind sharp. Set one goal for the day. Write down one thing you absolutely must accomplish, whether it's sticking to your diet, finishing a workout, or drinking enough water. Your mornings are your reset button. Use them wisely. Step 3. Move daily. No excuses. You don't need fancy equipment or hours of free time. You just need 20 to 30 minutes a day. That's it. But here's the catch. You have to do it every single day. Here's how to structure your workouts. Strength training. Do squats, push-ups, planks, and lunges. These build muscle and burn fat. Next, cardio, jogging, skipping, or even dancing. Keep your heart rate up for at least 15 minutes. And last, recovery. On rest days, don't just sit around. Do light stretches or go for a walk. The goal isn't to crush yourself, it's to build a habit. And habits are built through consistency, not intensity. If all you can manage is a 10-minute walk today, that's fine. Just show up. Step 4. Master your nutrition, one meal at a time. Forget extreme diets. You don't need to starve yourself or give up your favorite foods forever. What you need is balance and consistency. For the next 90 days, focus on this simple rule: one clean meal a day. What's a clean meal? It's something made of whole, real foods. Nothing processed, nothing out of a packet. Think lentils, brown rice, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Start with one meal, and once you've mastered that, make it 2. By the end of this challenge, clean eating will feel natural, not forced. And don't forget to hydrate. Water is your secret weapon. It boosts your energy, helps digestion, and even curbs cravings. Aim for at least 3 liters a day. Step 5. Rewire your mindset. Focus on progress, not perfection. This isn't just a physical transformation, it's mental too. The old you gave up when things got hard. The new you will push through. But to do that, you need to change how you think. Every morning, write down one thing you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right. And every night, reflect on one thing you did well. Maybe you drank all your water, or maybe you didn't skip your workout. These small wins build momentum. Remember, progress isn't a straight line. You'll have bad days. You'll make mistakes. But what matters is that you keep going. Step 6. Track your progress and celebrate small wins. If you don't measure it, you can't improve it. So track everything. Your workouts, your meals, even how you feel. Keep a journal or use an app, but don't just track your weight. Look at the bigger picture. Are you sleeping better? Do you have more energy? Are your clothes fitting differently? These are all signs of progress. And don't forget to celebrate. Every week, take a moment to look at how far you've come. Maybe it's a longer plank, a healthier meal, or just feeling more confident. Whatever it is, acknowledge it. These small wins keep you motivated. Step 7. Push through the hard days. Discipline over motivation. There will be days when you want to quit, days when you feel too tired, too busy, or just over it. But those are the days that matter most, because real change doesn't happen when it's easy, it happens when it's hard. On those days, remind yourself, the pain of discipline is temporary, but the pain of regret lasts forever. Show up for yourself, even when you don't feel like it. Your future self will thank you. Are you ready to become unstoppable? This is it, your chance to finally break free from the excuses, the doubts, and the habits that have been holding you back. In 90 days, you could be stronger, healthier, and more confident than ever. Or you could still be stuck, wishing you'd started. The choice is yours. But if you're ready to change your life, then commit right now. Don't just watch this video, act on it. Because the only thing standing between you and the life you want is the work you're willing to do. So, are you ready to take control? Let's make these 90 days the turning point you'll never forget. Let's go.